Have you ever wondered why some people seem to bubble with an infectious energy, a certain zest for life, while others seem to trudge along with the weight of the world on their shoulders? This, dear listener, is the fascinating world of exuberance and its opposites. Exuberance, a word that dances off your tongue, is more than just a feeling of happiness or joy. It's an outpouring of high-spiritedness, a celebration of life itself. It's about being animated, overflowing with enthusiasm, and not just being alive, but living life to the fullest. It's that spark in your eyes when you talk about something you love, the spring in your step on a beautiful day, the infectious laughter that fills a room. Now let's turn the coin over and look at the opposite side. The antonyms of exuberance: gloomy, reserved, and somber. These words paint a starkly different picture, don't they? Being gloomy isn't just about feeling sad, it's an overwhelming sense of despair or pessimism. It's a dark cloud that seems to follow you, casting a shadow over everything. Being reserved is holding back, keeping your emotions in check, living life in a careful, controlled manner. And being somber, it's more than just being serious. It's a gravity, a solemnity that can feel heavy and oppressive. One might think that exuberance and its antonyms are mutually exclusive, that you can't be both lively and reserved or joyful and somber, but the complexity of human emotions allows for a spectrum where these seemingly contradictory states can coexist. You can be exuberantly passionate about your work and yet be reserved in your personal life. You can be generally gloomy, yet have moments of joy. The key takeaway from this exploration is to understand that these emotional states are not permanent fixtures, but rather fleeting moments that ebb and flow in the river of life. Exuberance is not a constant state of joy, nor is gloom a permanent cloud. Each has its place and time. In summary, exuberance is a lively, animated, and joyful state of being that celebrates life, while its antonyms, gloom, reservation, and somberness, represent contrasting emotional states characterized by despair, restraint, and seriousness, respectively. Yet, these seemingly incompatible states can coexist, offering a rich tapestry of human emotions that make life the complex, beautiful journey that it is. So, the next time you find yourself overflowing with joy or weighed down by gloom, remember it's all part of the fascinating spectrum of human emotions. And that, dear listener, is something truly worth celebrating.